Hello, my name is Mike, and I want to show you how to register a domain for as little money as possible, and show you how to get a free one once you're ready to create a website. First, what does a domain typically cost? A .com runs about $15 a year, although some places will give you the first year for cheaper. There are a lot of domain registrars out there. The one you've most likely heard of is GoDaddy. They're huge, and actually used to run Super Bowl ads. But just because they're big doesn't mean they're the best. If you're looking to only buy a domain and not do anything with it yet, I'd recommend Namecheap, where you can get the first year for only $7. If you're looking to bulk buy a lot of domains, they have big discounts there too. But I'm assuming that you want to buy a domain because you want to do something with that domain. Your site is going to need to do more than just be registered. You're going to need hosting as well. In that case, I recommend using Hostinger. With Hostinger, you can get inexpensive but incredibly reliable hosting and get the domain you want as a free bonus. There are other hosting services that offer a free domain as well, but as someone who has used quite a few of them, Hostinger's customer service has been by far the best. I'll have a link to them below. So what do you get with Hostinger? You can host up to 100 websites with unlimited bandwidth, get a free email account for each of those websites, meaning something like mike@mydomain.com, and get a free SSL, which in simple terms adds the S after HTTP so web browsers know you're safe. It's pretty much required to have if you want visitors, otherwise browsers give a warning when trying to visit your domain. I'll assume you'll go with the cheapest plan. Then choose which of the length of the plans you want. Each will still come with a free domain, but you can lock in that lower monthly price for longer. Then just put in your payment information and you're good to go. You'll then be free to get your free domain. Now, I already have a hosting account with them. Remember how even on their cheapest plan, you could have up to 100 websites on one hosting account? Since I've already used my free domain, I'm going to buy a new one. And you can buy just a domain through Hostinger as well. So I'll buy my domain, horoscapes.com. Get it? It's horoscopes, but with AI in there. Is it possible I'm going to try to build an AI-powered horoscope generator for a future video series? Maybe. So let's buy it. Then it will ask for some extra contact info. Don't worry, this isn't broadcasted out into the world, because Hostinger includes free privacy protection with its domain purchases. But it is required by ICANN, which is basically the governing body of domains, to collect it so they can contact you by more than just email. And that's it. You have a domain and a host, and you can start making your website from there. Subscribe for more website and form building tips, and I'll see you next time.